Alright, I'm working on this 2000 Ranger again. I'm going to work on the blend door motor for this one. So it's in the glove box. You open the glove box, just drop it to the bottom, and then it's right here. There's a tab on the bottom. You squeeze and you pull, and the electric connector comes out. There's a push button right there, and then there's screws here. I'm using an 8mm, one of these shallow ones, and I can get to the ones here. This one has been removed before. I'm going to do this far one here. There's 3 total. The one in the back is probably going to be the hardest, but I'm going to get this out and then we'll go from there, okay? So pretty nice. Okay, I got this one out. Alright, a little bolt like that. And then the motor should come straight up and out. And then we're going to plug it back in and test it. So here we go. Let me move the camera a little bit. Okay, put a screwdriver under here and popped it. And I was able to get it up and out. So that we should be able to just bring it out. And there it is. Alright, so that's where the motor is. So what we're going to do is I'm going to plug it back in and see if it works. And I think it does work a little bit, but it's super weak. So it's not moving that door back and forth. So let's start the motor. And I'm going to turn the temperature dial from hot to cold, okay? So let's take a look and see how that goes. See, and it's going. It's slow, but it moves, see? And then go to hot. And it goes to hot. So this one works, and I just don't understand why I don't get any heat in here, but we gotta figure out why this is not working. But I can feel it moving. There we go. So we're gonna try to realign the door and put it back. So this motor is fine. So we're gonna put the motor back in and realign the door. Okay, let's try that.